Na Rympei U Hynñiewtrep, paidbah, Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
The initiative outlined in this note reflect a holistic approach to climate action, one that integrates environmental conservation with economic development and community empowerment. As climate change continues to impact the region, Mekla's proactive efforts serve as a model for other states and regions facing similar challenges. So before I conclude my speech, few concerns raised by the Honorable Member Ardent Basaumoit, Honorable MLA from Nong Krem, like converting a plot of land at Bernihat into industrial estate, then few projects proposed for improvement of tourism in Umyam Lake, then Shillong Peak, then Pan Nong Lake, or known as Lady Hyderabad. So these were only the discussion that we have among ourselves, and as I've already read out the statement, the commitment made by the government, we are really equal concerned about the climate change that we have seen. Therefore, any steps, any decision to be taken by the government, this has to be also not less than 60–70% should be taken into consideration the effect of the climate change. So sir, as of now, I would like to clarify that we are right now with these places which mentioned by the Honorable Member. It's only a preliminary discussion that we have. And let me also inform, sir, of course we have taken a decision only for the barrack point where we house the office of the executive engineers and 2 offices of the SDOs, PWD. In that area, I would like to inform the honorable members of this August House through you, sir, that we have taken a decision. We will convert that area into a green space. This is what we have taken a decision, sir. And relocation of these offices is being also initiated, and I'm very sure with few months from now, we'll be able to shift, and then we will make sure that this project, since it is in the heart of Shillong, we would like to see that children, old people, young and old can enjoy the space, the green space that we have in this area. So with these few words, sir, once again, I thank you, and especially I thank the honorable member from Nong Krem, Ardent Basaumoit, for bringing in this motion, short duration discussion that we have today. Thank you so much, sir.
So, I'm thankful, and I would like to appreciate the Honorable Minister for his extensive reply. Sir, however, it would be more convincing on our part if the government walk the talk and do what they have just mentioned to its policies. So because, as I've said, we are not against the development, but we are truly concerned about the environment. We have because we have seen signs of warnings also, sir. Recently, it was first time in the state of Meghalaya that streams and tributaries leading towards Mauplang Dam was found dried up. So this is, I feel it should serve as a wake-up call for the government of the day. So, sir, and I would also suggest that if the government really feel that we need to improve tourism industry, there are 3 simple things that the government can do. The government should ensure that all the roads in the state are good. That is number 1, I feel, sir. My experience while going through across the nook and corner of the state. And number 2, ensure that we maintain cleanliness at all cost. That Meghalaya should get rid of litters and rubbish, and that will also attract the tourists. And the government can also find ways and means how to solve the traffic congestion. These are the three main things which I feel will help the government will help the state to promote the industry, the tourism industry in the state. So with this few words, sir, I once again thank the Honorable Minister, and I wish you my safe, sir.
Thank you. Now we come to item number 5.